Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Let's break down the role of AI and its influence on cost to serve in a contact center. Let's explore the role of AI and its influence on cost to serve, starting with AI containment and self-service. When chatbots and voice bots handle routine inquiries, like billing questions, order status updates, or password resets, they resolve issues without requiring agent intervention. Similarly, virtual assistants and IVR systems powered by NLP deflect a large portion of low-complexity queries away from live agents. This has a powerful financial effect. It cuts wage costs significantly because fewer interactions require paid agent time. It lowers CTS by reducing the denominator's dependency on agent-handled contacts and increasing the share of low-cost automated transactions. In short, AI containment isn't just a customer convenience, it's a strategic lever for cost optimization and scalability. Next, let's look at the impact of AI Agent Assist on cost to serve. With real-time guidance and suggestions, AI empowers agents to respond faster and more accurately, directly lowering average handle time. By automating after-call work, AI eliminates unnecessary manual wrap-up steps, further reducing time spent per interaction. And when AI-driven knowledge surfacing provides instant access to the right answers, agents resolve issues more efficiently, which means fewer repeat contacts. The result is clear: every paid agent becomes more productive. Higher efficiency per interaction translates directly into lower CTS, stronger service levels, and more scalable operations. AI Agent Assist isn't just a tool, it's a force multiplier for human productivity. Another powerful AI lever in reducing cost to serve is robotic process automation, or RPA. RPA is designed to automate back-office workflows such as processing refunds, ticket classification, CRM updates, and other routine administrative tasks that typically consume valuable labor time. By removing these manual, repetitive activities, RPA reduces indirect labor costs and streamlines operations. The influence is twofold: it lowers both direct and indirect costs while making frontline work more efficient. This leads to a more stable and predictable CTS, even as volumes fluctuate. RPA is not just about speed, it's about cost discipline, consistency, and scalability. Let's now examine the role of AI-driven workforce management, or WFM, in controlling cost to serve. With AI-powered forecasting, staffing plans become far more accurate, preventing both overstaffing, which leads to wasted cost, and understaffing, which drives up overtime expenses. Dynamic scheduling ensures that the right number of agents are available at the right time, helping maintain optimal occupancy levels. And with real-time intraday adjustments, AI can respond to demand fluctuations quickly, minimizing shrinkage and idle time. The result? Smarter labor utilization that keeps CTS tightly controlled. AI in WFM transforms workforce planning from reactive guesswork into a proactive, cost-optimized engine. Let's explore how predictive and proactive AI engagement shapes cost to serve. When AI delivers proactive notifications, like order updates, outage alerts, or appointment reminders, customers get the information they need before they even have to reach out. This prevents unnecessary inbound contacts and eases pressure on your frontline teams. In parallel, AI-driven sentiment analysis identifies frustration signals early, allowing issues to be resolved before they escalate or trigger repeat calls. The impact is powerful: Fewer avoidable contacts mean lower total handled volume and lower CTS. Predictive and proactive AI isn't just about customer experience, it's a strategic cost control lever that prevents problems before they reach the queue. Another critical AI lever that shapes cost to serve is analytics and root cause reduction. AI-powered analytics provide deep visibility into call drivers, uncovering the process, product, or experience issues that generate unnecessary contact volume. By identifying and addressing these root causes, you can systematically remove demand before it hits your front line. Additionally, trend prediction capabilities allow organizations to detect emerging issues early, preventing spikes in costly live agent interactions. The result is a leaner cost base and more stable operations, with fewer inbound contacts to manage. Analytics isn't just a reporting tool, it's a proactive cost prevention engine that helps keep CTS under control. Let's look at one more powerful way AI influences cost to serve: compliance and risk automation. AI systems can continuously monitor interactions for regulatory compliance, including standards like PCI DSS, HIPAA, and GDPR. By automating this oversight, organizations reduce their reliance on manual QA auditing, which typically consumes significant time and labor. This not only enhances compliance accuracy and consistency but also cuts overhead costs associated with manual monitoring and review. The result? Reduced compliance costs and prevention of CTS creep, all while maintaining strong regulatory controls. AI in compliance isn't just about risk mitigation, it's a cost efficiency accelerator that protects both the business and the bottom line. Finally, let's explore customer experience and premium service justification, another strategic dimension of AI's impact on cost to serve. When AI enhances personalization and enables faster, more seamless service, customer experience improves dramatically. Higher CSAT and NPS scores build trust and strengthen client relationships. This creates a powerful business advantage. With strong customer experience outcomes, organizations can justify maintaining service quality at a lower CTS without facing pricing or service level pushback from clients. In other words, exceptional customer experience powered by AI isn't just a loyalty driver, it's a strategic shield that protects profitability while keeping cost to serve efficient and sustainable. Let's close with a strategic summary of how AI reshapes cost to serve. AI works on multiple fronts to optimize cost structure without sacrificing service quality. First, it reduces the cost base, the numerator, through self-service, RPA, AI-driven WFM optimization, and compliance automation, all of which lower operational overhead. Second, it increases efficiency per interaction, the denominator, using agent assist, faster resolutions, and reduced repeat contacts, ensuring every paid agent delivers more value. Third, predictive and proactive AI helps manage demand by reducing avoidable inbound volume before it ever reaches your frontline. The result? AI enables a lower CTS while maintaining, or even improving, customer experience outcomes. This turns cost savings from a compromise into a strategic advantage, driving sustainable growth and profitability. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.